everyone. My name is Lee, Repel 2023, and today I will help you with the process of brainstorming to research question. So you can see a roadmap here that I created for you guys. The first one is choose a topic, and then second one is brainstorming to get started. And then the third one is using 5W1H, and the fourth one is formulating a research question. So these are the four main steps for you guys through this process. And let's go to the first one, which is choosing a topic. So to choose a topic, first look at the assignment and find keywords. So these are your professor instruction and question. And then identify the rhetorical strategy, for example, cause and effect, argumentative, comparison. So this can be based on your professor requirement or based on what you choose. And then identify the content area. And then brainstorm and target topics of interest. So for instance, for the content area, I'm interested in marketing. That's gonna be the big topic, and then for the target topics of interest, which can be the smaller one of marketing, I can choose digital marketing as my topic, as my big topic. And then when I have chosen a big topic like that, we're gonna move to the brainstorming to get started. So there are four main ways that you guys can choose from here. So first, list out your ideas and put them into categories. Second, you can do some clustering and mind mapping like this. And then third, you can free writing or free speaking among yourself to generate ideas naturally. And then fourthly, you can use graphic organizers. So I'm gonna show you maybe an example of how you will do it. Okay, I'm gonna share with you. Okay, so can you see my draft? Let's go. So we have four main approaches there in the PDF that I made for you guys. So first, let's try with the first one. Okay. Um, so I will list out the words I have in mind: PPC advertising, content marketing, SEO, on-page optimization, visual content, email marketing, automation, social media, and then I will categorize them into groups. So this one can be paid strategies, and these two can be content focused strategy, and then these three can be organic strategies, and then these four can be direct engagement strategies, and these five can be social media strategies. Okay, so these are the categories. And then that is the first way, which is like list your ideas and put into categories. List ideas and then put them into categories. And then secondly, you can do clustering or mind mapping. So for example, okay, so clustering and mind mapping, I have digital marketing as my central point, and then I will have social media, paid strategies, PPC advertising, not really. Content marketing can be good. And then for social media, I have platform and engagement tactics. For paid strategies, I have PPC advertising. And for content marketing, is blogging and visual content. Another example. And then thirdly, for free writing or free speaking, for example, you can say social media connects businesses globally, and then email campaigns allow personalized communication, SEO enhance online visibility, digital marketing includes social media, and a lot of brands use influencers. So just like generate your ideas naturally by saying it out so that you can catch the keywords. And then the last one is a graphic organizers. So for this, you can make like diagrams and then graph. So it's like a little bit like considering mind mapping. Instead, you can do other types, like not only mind map, but also graph and then pie chart. So depending on how you want to do it. All right. And then thirdly, we will move to using 5W1H. So it's like what, who, why, when, where, and how. For what, you can say what is the topic, what is the significance, what is the basic problem or controversy, what do you know about it, what's your opinion. For who, is it the stakeholders, who is involved. And for why did the issue arise. And then we move to when has the issue been most apparent? Is it recent or is this like in the past or maybe in the future? And the when is the action needed? When is the solution needs to be done? And where is the context? Is that in mostly in America? Is it mostly in South Asian countries or in a specific country? And then how is the issue significant? And then the last step, you will formulate thesis question. Okay, so firstly, I will show you the 5W1H that I generated for my digital marketing topic here. After brainstorming everything, categorize everything, I start to think of the question. So what? What are the current trends in digital marketing strategies? Why? Why is it essential for businesses to invest in digital marketing? Who is the target audience for specific digital marketing channels? When is the best time to implement seasonal marketing campaigns online? And how do data analytics contribute to refining digital marketing strategies? And then where do consumer engage the most with digital marketing content? So I have all of these questions in mind and I start developing my ideas, and then I can choose maybe some question to make some potential research question based on my interest. That needs to be clear, focus, and complex, right? Clear here means a clear thesis question ensure that the research goal and the subject matter are easily understood, minimizing ambiguity and confusion. So you need to be clear so that your readers understand what you want to do. And focus. The research questions need to be focused to narrow the research scope to a specific and well-defined topic. And then by doing that, you can prevent the study from being too broad or vague. And then complex. So the thesis question needs to be complex to challenge the readers to delve into multifaceted aspect. Okay, so clear, focus, complex. Those are the criteria. So I made some of these research questions that you can take as an example. So for example, for the what above, I have what are the current trends in digital marketing strategies. After taking out the keywords and everything, I came up with what are the emerging trends in utilizing AI in digital marketing strategies and how do they affect customer engagement in digital marketing. So this is a little bit like cause and effect paper. And then for the why, I have why is it essential for businesses to invest in digital marketing? So it's still broad, right? So I narrowed down to be more focused and more clear and more complex. Like, why do e-commerce businesses invest in influencer marketing and how does it impact their online sales? So I focus on e-commerce businesses instead of all businesses, and I focus on the influencer marketing aspect instead of the whole digital marketing aspect. And this can also be in cause and effect essay. And then how do data analytics contribute to refining digital marketing strategies? This one is the how in the part above. And I make it more detailed, more clear, more complex, more focused into how does the integration of user-generated content contribute to the success of social media marketing strategies for fashion brands. So I focus on the social media marketing and digital marketing, and I focus on the fashion industry instead of all industry, and I focus on the user-generated content. So yes, that's about it. Those are the 4 steps with some example to help you with creating research question from scratch. And good luck with your assignment, and you got this. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.